And what are your thoughts about the quality of the product? Right now, do you have some concerns about the quality of the production, quality of the raw material that is in shortage, quality of the raw material during the transport that is being stopped?
That in terms of quality, that for import side, that government has taken measures that whatever the consignment received from China, that Indian port authority or Indian port handling officers are putting this all China consignment for 14 days quarantine period, and they are analyzing this material at their port site also, and after finding that this material is within compliance, they release this consignment to the manufacturer. So in terms of import side, that government as well as the manufacturers are taking care of this analysis side, and some of the Indian regulatory agencies has given the instruction that to analyze these materials for all these tests in their in-house or from outside laboratories to check their quality at the very high level. And in terms of transport, that I come to the know that some of the consignments are with transporters due to the this lockdown, declare of this lockdown on immediate basis. Many of the transporters are holding the raw materials and finished goods in their godown, but there is a concern of quality on this side, because these godowns, transport godowns, does not have the environment condition, and they are not aware with the quality sites, with their storage conditions, cleaning sites, their handling and all. So such type of consignments, those who have in their transports, they were notified by government that please take a look of these consignments from your side, take back from your side, now again assure the quality level, and then after you can dispatch. So Indian governments has interfered, and state government and state FDA has interfered in such of the consignments, and they have given the instruction to the owner of this material to check the quality level again and to resend the clients.
It's the same also for Europe and the rest of the world who buy from China.
China.
They should consider that this material may have been stopped, has been standing in the sun for
Right.
many days. So they should
Yeah.
test it for the full monograph.
Yeah, that some of the big pharma companies and some of the experts has said that don't depend on the manufacturer's CoA for your quality level. Check all these quality parameters at your own laboratory or at your own in-house laboratories, or if you do not have this facility to test this parameter at your in-house laboratory, then send this sample to outside contract laboratory and complete assure that this material is safe and quality.